the upgraded Courtney. I've tried a number of times before, but this time I have it in a very different colour, and this is the Cali Blonde, which is 660R in code. This is the Cali Blonde and it is a really stunning colour. So let me try and show you what it's like. So it has a root, and I am a big fan of roots. I love a topper with a root. I think it looks more natural when you're wearing it. So you can see it's got a sort of a medium blonde root, and then all the way through the lengths there are, I guess it's quite a warmish colour, but not too warm. It doesn't look yellow. These beautiful light blonde highlights, and then these slightly more wheat blonde colours that run through the lengths. It's really, really beautiful. I love it. Let's have a quick look at the base. The size of the base is 7 inches by 8 inches. So this is a large base, and it will provide really good coverage for those of you who have sort of moderate to maybe more severe kind of hair loss, particularly on this top section. There is closed wefting all the way around this section here, and here there is a lace monofilament section as well. So you can part this topper any way you like in this section, and it gives the appearance of natural growth from the root of your head. Let's get her on and see what she looks like on. So I always pull around the back, keep those clips closed, then open them whilst it's on my head, make sure they are central, and then I'm going to push those clips so you can see it open here. I'm going to push them into my hair, and then I'm also going to clip in the back ones as well. And there she is, she's on. That is how easy it is to apply a topper. It is literally clip, 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 go. So aside from perhaps sort of styling your bio hair, there's not a lot really that you need to do. It's a really simple process. Let's do all the things that I normally do to make this piece look a bit more realistic. So I'm going to start by spraying at the roots. So the top section is thoroughly wet now, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add some heat and try and lift those fibres up from the root, bring a bit of life into them. Okay, I'm going to add in the part that I want. So a slightly jagged part line, that makes it look quite natural. So you can hopefully see now that those fibres are now awake, and they are lifting from the topper and just look a bit more natural now, I think. So there we go. There she is now, kind of straightened out, a little more even. So I'm so pleased with this one. This is now my new favourite blonde. Cali Blonde is now my new favourite blonde. It's got a root. It's a stunning light blonde, perfect for summer. Let me show you what she looks like all the way around.